It is with profound sadness and heavy hearts that we bid farewell to our esteemed Principal and CEO, Madam Lizzie Wanyoike. Her sudden departure has left an irreplaceable gap in our hearts and in the halls of NIBS College. Lizzie was not just a leader, she was the heartbeat of our institution. Her unwavering dedication, visionary leadership, and compassionate spirit shaped the very essence of NIBS Technical College. Under her guidance, we witnessed the college evolve into a hub of innovation, academic excellence, and a nurturing environment for both students and staff, making it feel like a second home for all who walked through its doors. Under her visionary leadership, NIBS College reached new heights, consistently delivering quality education and producing graduates who have made a significant impact in various fields. Her commitment to fostering an environment of learning, growth, and innovation has left an indelible mark on the institution and the lives of countless students. Beyond her professional accomplishment, Madam Lizzie was a warm, kind, compassionate, loving, caring, and nurturing person. Her doors was always open, and her genuine concern for the well-being of the student and staff alike created a sense of family within the NIBS community. She had a unique ability to balance authority with kindness, earning the respect and admiration of everyone she encountered with. Madam Lizzie's legacy extends beyond the confines of our college. Her unwavering support for education and her belief in the potential of each individual has left an enduring impact on the broader education landscape. As we come to terms with the gap she has created, let us remember and celebrate the life of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike. Let us honor her memory by continuing to uphold the values, culture, principles she instilled in all of us. A commitment to excellence, passion for learning, and a genuine care for one another. In this time of sorrow, let us come together as a community to support one another, just as Madam Lizzie would have wanted. Her spirit will forever remain alive in the halls of NIBS College, guiding us as we carry forward the torch of her vision. We extend our deepest condolences to Madam Lizzie's immediate and extended family and loved ones. May she rest in peace. Sincerely, NIBS fraternity. Thank you. God bless you. Na Karogo au kusimama kama ingekuwa ni kitambo, Honorable Senator, kubuka a part of this team. Yes, karibuni, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can see as they sit.